Oh my God! Guys! Never mind about the 45 miles an hour, or the 43. My dad got an alert from the Weather Channel. The gusts are up to 60 miles an hour. It is crazy out here right now. Look, we even had to take the porch cover down because we were worried it might rip it off. The wind blew a chair. The wind blew a chair's over already. Oh my God. The wind even blew. Oh, that's kind of cool. It blew it off there and it landed in the pot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm probably not going to hang that back up there for now. Just because it might blow off again. And I don't want it to get damaged. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crap. This is the worst video for YouTube yet. In fact, this might be the worst one I've ever seen in my life in person. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it a bit if it was 60 miles an hour, like the weather said. I don't care if it's raining, man. I'm recording this. Look at it, guys. Let's see what it sounds like in the trees. It sounds like being at my grandma's in the mountains. Oh my God. Listen at it, guys. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get away from the tree, but you heard it. I don't know if this is the worst wind I've ever seen, but this is definitely the most consistent wind I've seen. Like, most of the time when I see wind that's this strong, it's during a storm, and it doesn't last this long. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at what's coming, guys. Oh my God. Oh. Look at everything. I hope we don't lose power. Oh my God. I hope we don't lose power. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Oh, wow. I might call this video the windiest video I've ever recorded in my life. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Man, oh look at that! Look at the trees out front, you guys. Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. This is the worst wind I've ever recorded. Oh my God, that chime is stuck. Oh. Did that just... Oh God. Are you telling me the wind ripped the line off, the power line off the house? Or did the chime do that? I don't know. But this is insane! Oh! Oh. It's no wonder the trees are still alive. Oh God. Oh God, guys. 60 miles an hour at its finest. Oh God. Yeah, it's probably a good idea if I stay away from the trees. That chime is tangled. Oh, holy crap. There is no wind video beating this. Okay, it's untangling itself. I was wondering, like, if I had to do that. No, it's untangling. I am so glad I was here to record it for you guys. Because it looks like it's calming down just a little bit now. The dog's in the doghouse. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh wow, look at that. This is, oh my gosh. It picked back up. Alright, I see a big gust coming real quickly. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna go let you hear the trees again because I don't think it was that strong before. I had no idea this was gonna happen. Do you hear that? Ow. Alright, that's it. Something hit me. I'm leaving the spot. Crazy. Oh. This is nuts. Oh man, look at it. All right, let me go in the front yard, guys. All right, I'm in the front yard, and it's crazy out here too. That chime's swinging like, oh my goodness. There's a gust coming. Oh God, there's a gust coming. god! We got a shingle loose! We got a shingle loose! This is insane, you guys. This is definitely the worst wind I've ever recorded. There's another gust coming. Go. Oh wow. Another gust coming. I can hear it, I think. Oh wow. Look at all the trees. Oh wow. Oh Alright, I'm going in the backyard again. Alright, I'm back in the back and it's still going crazy. Oh, the other chair blew down while I was in the front. Look. Oh, gusts coming. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh! Oh, wow! Oh, wow. Is there a gust coming? Yep. Oh no, it broke. Well, let me lay it down somewhere. Alright guys, one more big gust and then I'm probably gonna stop it. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's another gust coming. I guess I'm recording it too. Alright, I guess I'll make another part later on. We'll see how it's going. Bye.